Good evening. Today I will teach you about ASP.NET Tools. Employee Online Registration Form. Last application we have done it. In this application itself, I will start the class. Go to the Solution Explorer, click the project, Employee Registration Form, Register Form, right click it. In that go to Add New Item, and get a template over here. In that you can choose a web form and then add, or else simply you can go here itself. Add web form. Just click the web form. Default page, the name will be default. If you want, you can change it. I am typing it as third page. Then click the OK. Starting with HTML tag and then closing head and then body. First I will start with the radio button. Minimum 3 to 4 tabs I am giving. Go to the radio button. Just double click the radio button. And again give 2 to 3 tabs. Go to the toolbox. Double click the radio button. You got radio button 1 and radio button 2. The ID is 1, radio button 1, and ID for this is radio button 2. You can rename the ID as per the standard prefix. Going to the properties, in that text is mail. In second one I am typing it as female. That's all. I am saving those data. Right click, view in browser to see the output for a particular page. See here, only one should be selected in the male and female, but over here both the things will be selected. So this is a wrong case. Go to the radio button 1, go to the properties. Over there group name will be available. The group name for radio button 1 and radio button 2 should be same. I am giving the group name as select gender without any space. And then I am copying this, going to paste for the radio button 2. In group name I am pasting it as select gender. Now I have given the same group name for radio button 1 and then radio button 2. Now we will see the output. Saving. Just see the output. I am choosing male and right now the female. You can see the difference in output in the first case and the second case. Now whatever the data we are selecting, male or female, that should be print here over the label. Taking a label. For the label, default ID will be label 1. I am renaming it to LBL status. LBL status. See here, for both things I am going to create a event. Go to the properties, over in the event symbol, just type the name. Gender selection. This is as per your wish. Gender selected. Gender selected. Just I click it there. Backend coding came. Protected void. Gender selected. Object sender. Event argument E. Same. With the same name, the event should be created for female also. That is radio button 2. Go to here. Right click. Go to the properties. Control R, Control C. I am copying it. Same I am going to type for radio button 2. Just double click here. When I click female or when I click male, the backend coding come to same function. Protected void, gender selection, gender selected, object, same thing. If not, you will get an error. Now radio button. This is a class. I am going to create an object as per your wish. RDO gender, that is equal to radio button, closing the bracket, and after that sender, terminating, and then over in the label, or in this label I am going to print the output whatever I am selecting, male or female. So label ID is nothing but LBL status dot text equal to the selected item from the radio button will be given to the RDO gender. So RDO gender dot text. Just to control S, save your file, right click, view in browser. Now I am selecting male and then female. Just I forgot one more thing, auto post back. Select the female radio button, go to the properties over here. In this choose auto post back as true in both the cases. radio button 1 and then radio button 2. Go to over here, auto post back, type it as true. Now save it and right click, go to view in browser. You can see the difference in output. I am choosing male and then female. We'll go for the next tool. Next tool I am moving with file upload. It's a very simple tool, but saving this data into database we need to go with C# coding. Just I went to the toolbox, double click the file upload. The default name ID is nothing but file upload 1. I am leaving as it is, view in browser. Saving it. You will get the option browse, no file selected. Just you can go with the browse option. You can choose whatever resume format .doxe file. But saving this file into database, you need to move with the C# coding. We'll see in upcoming classes. And next tool. Going with hyperlink. Double clicking the hyperlink. The default text is hyperlink. Right click, go to the properties. In the text, instead of hyperlink, you can type your own data. When you read with Wikipedia or any other web content, you can see the blue color words. If you click it, it will go to some other page. I am typing it as next page. Next page. Next, go to navigate URL. This is the most important. Navigate URL. A button will be available. Just click the button. In that you have 2 pages extra. One is login page and the register page. Currently you are in 3rd page. I am clicking the login page. Just click OK. That's it. Save it. Right click, view in browser. When you click this hyperlink, it will redirect to the login page. Hyperlink. And next, coming with the next tool as literals. Literal. Double clicking the literal. The use of literal is to show the HTML tags. You can directly use the HTML tag in this page, web page, starting with HTML, head and then body. If you want to show any HTML tags, you can make use of the tool called literal. Just right click the literal, go to the properties. In the text, now I am going to type HTML tag, opening tag, and then closing my HTML tag. HTML closing tag, and then in between HTML closing tag, head and body will come. Simply I am typing hello. If I let it directly, it will create certain problem in my web page. In the mode, go to the encode. Just go to the mode, over there type encode. You can see the HTML tags over here in your web page. Save it, see the output in the web page. You can see the HTML tags in HTML page itself. 3rd page.axpx, HTML tags are open. So literal is used to show the HTML tags. And next, go to the tool. I am moving with panel. Double click the panel. It will be available over here. Again, default name. I have not used any standard prefix for the tools. In that panel, I am right clicking. Go to the properties. ID is panel 1, and just come to the scroll bar. You can go here vertical, horizontal, and both scrolling. And next, go to the border style. In that I am choosing dotted. You can choose as per your design, with your own design. Panel, inside the panel I am typing hi. This is going. Next, saving this, right click, view in browser. You can see the panel. This is current text. If you want, you can type. So you're not in the panel. And after panel, go to the toolbox. Already I told about the button. The use of button, you can directly use the button inside your panel also. Right click, go to the properties. You can use standard prefix as btn, add or whatever. With respect to functionality, you can keep the name. Submit means submit, add means add, clear means clear. Submit. Or else if you want to clear anything, you can just clear. Just I am typing clear over here. And also in the text, I have kept only the ID. Over in text, I am going to type it as clear. Clear. And after that, going to the toolbox, simply I am typing here name. I am not using any label. I am typing it directly, and after that, I am going to take a text box over here. I given a text box. For the button, I am going to give the functionality as the text box name is default name is text box 1. I have not used again the standard prefix text box 1 dot text equal to string dot empty or empty dot string. String dot empty. I'm just terminating it. Save it. Again, right click, view in browser. You can see the panel over here. I'm typing here, go in. Just click the clear button. The data is gone. You can also move this. You can use string.empty to clear your text field. Last class I told instead of string.empty double quotation, you can also use with string.empty. To clear your text field. In upcoming classes, we will see other tools. Thank you for watching the video.